Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing in to Qiwa with your national ID or a comma and your current password. Once logged in, go straight to your profile or account settings. Make sure you are on a secure HTTPS connection and use a supported browser to avoid session errors. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, complete that step now so you can change credentials. Once you see security or password options, pause. You're ready for the actual password update process in the next step. Now select Change Password and re-enter your current password to prove it's you. This prevents unauthorized updates. Then type a new password that mixes uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols and is at least 8 characters long because complexity stops common attacks. Once done, retype the new password in the confirmation field. Make sure both entries match exactly. Click Save or Update. You'll often receive an on-screen confirmation and an email. If you use a password manager, store the new password immediately for consistency. Finish by logging out and then logging back in with the new password to verify it works. This confirms your session updated correctly. If you can't log in, use the Forgot Password flow to reset via your registered email or phone, or contact Qiwa support if recovery fails. Make sure account recovery info is current and avoid performing changes on public Wi-Fi. If you encounter repeated failures, clear cache or try an alternate browser. These simple steps resolve most hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.